Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best wireless meat thermometer in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Thermopro TempSpike 500 FT Truly Wireless Meat Thermometer, Bluetooth Meat Thermometer for Grilling and Smoking. Meat Thermometer Wireless for BBQ Oven Smoker Rotisserie Sauce 500 at Ultra Long Range. Connected via the most advanced Bluetooth 5.2. This wireless thermometer for grilling can monitor your cooking from up to 500 feet away. Make it outstand from other smoker accessories, truly wirelessly tracking your meal from anywhere. 100% wire-free. Meat Thermometer Digital Wireless removes all the tangled wires. Makes it a versatile tool for electric rotisserie, smoker, oven, grill, pan fry, or sous-vide. Enjoy 100% wire-free cooking and the convenience of no-hassle setup and cleanup. One probe. 2 sensors. Bluetooth thermometer for smoker features a meat temperature probe that can simultaneously measure internal meat temperature and ambient pit temperatures, while still reading highly accurately in just 3 seconds, so you'll never overcook or undercook again. Number 4. Thermopro TP25 500 feet Wireless Bluetooth Meat LCD Thermometer with 4 temperature probes, Smart Digital Cooking BBQ Thermometer for grilling oven food, Smoker Thermometer, rechargeable. Extended 500 feet range and Bluetooth 5.0 certificate by SAIC. Rechargeable Bluetooth thermometer adopts advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology that provides food thermometer with the strongest, most reliable connection. With the out-of-range alert function, you'll never miss the moment to remove your meat from the grill. 4 different color-coded probes. 4 probes Smart Meat Thermometer allow you to conveniently monitor 4 different meats and ambient temperature while being highly accurate. Meat probe thermometer windows are perfect to neatly store your wireless thermometer for cooking after use. Number 3. AATR Block 4 Probe Premium Wi-Fi Smart Meat Thermometer for BBQ, oven, grill, kitchen, smoker, rotisserie iOS and Android app Apple Watch, Alexa compatible, dishwasher safe. Longer range. With built-in Bluetooth to Wi-Fi range extension, you can keep tabs on your food from up to 165 feet away. And if you prefer to cook without your smartphone, our standalone mode has got you covered. 4 probes. Each probe features dual temperature sensors, allowing you to monitor both the internal meat temperature, up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and the ambient/external temperature, up to 527 degrees Fahrenheit, simultaneously. Guided Cook System. Our step-by-step system will guide you through the cooking process, ensuring that your food is cooked to perfection every time. You can also set up custom alerts and notifications based on temperature and / time to keep you on track. Number 2. NutriChef Smart Bluetooth BBQ Thermometer. Upgraded stainless probe safe to leave in grill, outdoor barbecue, or meat smoker. Wireless remote alert iOS Android phone Wi-Fi app. PWI or BBQ40. Upgraded wireless range, remote cordless grilling monitor. Get an instant push notification to your smartphone if you leave the wireless Bluetooth range. Done smartphone alarm. When the meat reaches the set temperature, the Apple, iPhone/Android Wi-Fi mobile app will send push notifications and alarm to take meat from gas or charcoal BBQ, smoker or oven. Temperature monitoring. Monitor temperatures and get alerts for your favorite dishes. Choose rare, medium, or well done. Adjust and save custom cooking presets for your favorite recipes. 32 heat-proof cable. Leave the cable and probe inside the oven or grill while cooking. The 32 braided cable gives plenty of room to keep the Bluetooth hardware a safe distance away from heat. Number 1. Cuisinart CSG200 Infrared and Folding Grilling Thermometer. 2-in-1 Thermometer. Instantly and accurately measured temperature with a non-contact infrared or folding probe thermometer. Easy to read LED screen. Reads up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit and can switch deg/day. Probe can read up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. IR reads up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Folding design. The 3.75 probe folds away for storage and safety. Features convenient battery saving auto-off after 90 seconds. Calibration FEHUR. Maintains accurate, reliable, and consistent temperature reads. Water. REZSTNT. IPX3 rating for water resistance. Takes 1 triple a battery, not included.